Hello friends, let's discuss Java 5 features, auto boxing and unboxing. By using some Java methods, we can convert the primitive values can be converting into object types, and the object types can be converting into respective primitive data types. It is possible. So why we have to convert the primitive to wrapper as well as wrapper to primitive? So we have some requirements, like we have a method, it is expecting some wrapper object type, but you may have primitive value, so you cannot directly pass primitive value with respect to object. In such case, we have to convert with respect to object, and we have to pass the reference. And the collections doesn't allow primitive data types. It will expect object types. But Java 5, instead of converting this wrapper to primitive, primitive to wrapper by the developer, so Java 5 automatically do the conversion. The programmer no need to invoke any explicit methods, and we no need to explicitly converting from primitive to object, object to primitive. So with this example, we can see here I am taking one static method, static void m1 method. Here I am having this out. I am printing. Here I am taking one more method. Method name is m2, and here integer obj. So here we are printing the obj. Let's have main method for running this program. Here I have a int value. So by passing this integer, by passing this, by passing this a value, because it is an integer, you can invoke the m1 method. By passing this a primitive variable, by passing this primitive argument, we can invoke the m1 method. It is possible that we already know, but by using this primitive argument, we cannot invoke directly the m2 method. m2 I am trying to invoke m2 of a. It will give compile time error. As well as I have a integer object equal to new integer of some value I have. So by using this m1 method, bypassing this object, bypassing, so bypassing this object, I cannot invoke m1 method. It will give compile time error, but it won't give any error in JDK 1.5. So let me copy the same example here. It won't give any error. It will work directly because the M2 is expecting integer object, So the primitive data type automatically converting into respective wrapper type like integer and passing to this M2 method. It won't give any error. So and here this object, so M1 method is expecting primitive value. So here we are taking the argument as object. So it will be automatically converting into primitive. This is called auto unboxing. This is called auto boxing, and this is called auto unboxing. So in JDK 1.5 it won't give any error. But in Java 1.4, how we can resolve this problem? We don't have any concept called auto boxing, auto unboxing in Java 1.4. There is no auto boxing, auto unboxing concept in Java 4. How we can resolve these kind of problems? So here we need to explicitly converting into new integer of, or here new integer of a. I need to explicitly typecasting from primitive to object. I am passing object to this M2 method, and here object dot int value. So object dot int value is converting object to primitive, and here we can run and see the output. Here also both are working fine. Using Java 5 in your applications, you no need to do explicitly typecasting from object to primitive as well as primitive to object. It will be done by Java by default. For understanding, we can take int I be converting into wrapper type integer object equal to integer of I. I will be converting into object like this, or we can also integer dot value of we can use. This is in JDK 1.4. We need to do conversion primitive to wrapper explicitly like this. So as well as the converting object to primitive into j equal to, the object can be converted explicitly by calling into value method. How we can convert this object to primitive with respect to primitive data type? How we can convert the object wrapper object to respect to primitive by calling that int value method. If you take long, you have to call the object dot long value. If you want to convert into byte, object dot byte value, you have to invoke. So like this, we need to convert in JDK 1.4 explicitly. But in JDK 1.5, you no need to convert explicitly. It will be taken care by Java company.